Which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. The answer is A. Mars. Fact: Mars gets its reddish color from iron oxide, which is essentially rust on its surface. How many hearts does an octopus have? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. The answer is C. 3. Fact: 2 hearts of an octopus pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Gold. B. Diamond. C. Iron. The answer is B. Diamond. Fact: diamonds are made of pure carbon atoms arranged in a crystal structure that makes them incredibly tough. Which country is home to the kangaroo? A. Australia. B. South Africa. C. Brazil. The answer is A. Australia. Fact: kangaroos use their large tails for balance, and they actually cannot walk backward. What is the smallest country in the world? A. Monaco. B. Vatican City. C. Malta. The answer is B. Vatican City. Fact: it is an independent city-state enclaved within Rome, Italy, measuring just about 0.49 square kilometers. Which mammal is capable of true flight? A. Flying squirrel. B. Bat. C. Eagle. The answer is B. Bat. Fact: while flying squirrels can only glide, bats have modified hand structures that allow them to flap and fly. How many bones do sharks have in their bodies? A. 0. B. 106. C. 206. The answer is A. 0. Fact: sharks do not have bones. Their skeletons are made entirely of cartilage, the same flexible material found in human ears. What is the main gas found in the air we breathe? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. The answer is C. Nitrogen. Fact: nitrogen makes up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere, while oxygen accounts for only about 21%. Which is the only continent that has no active volcanoes? A. Australia. B. Antarctica. C. Europe. The answer is A. Australia. Fact: Australia has no active volcanoes because it sits safely in the middle of a tectonic plate. What color is a polar bear's skin? A. White. B. Black. C. Pink. The answer is B. Black. Their skin is black to absorb heat from the sun, while their fur is actually clear and hollow, reflecting light to appear white. What is the only rock that can float on water? A. Obsidian. B. Pumice. C. Granite. The answer is B. Pumice. Fact: pumice is formed from volcanic eruptions and is filled with tiny air bubbles, making its density lower than water. Which organ in the human body consumes the most energy? A. Brain. B. Heart. C. Liver. The answer is A. Brain. Fact: although the brain makes up only about 2% of our body weight, it consumes around 20% of the body's total energy. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? A. 0 degrees. B. 32 degrees. C. 100 degrees. The answer is B. 32 degrees. Fact: while water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius in the Celsius scale, it freezes at exactly 32 degrees Fahrenheit in the Fahrenheit scale. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? A. Root. B. Stem. C. Leaf. The answer is C. Leaf. Fact: leaves contain chlorophyll, a green pigment that absorbs sunlight to turn carbon dioxide and water into food. What state of matter is lightning? A. Gas. B. Plasma. C. Liquid. The answer is B. Plasma. Fact: plasma is superheated gas that has an electrical charge, making up 99% of the visible universe, including stars. How long does it take for light from the sun to reach Earth? A. 8 seconds. B. 8 minutes. C. 8 hours. The answer is B. 8 minutes. Fact: light travels so fast that even though the sun is 150 million kilometers away, it reaches us in just about 8 minutes and 20 seconds. What is the most abundant element in the universe? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon. The answer is B. Hydrogen. Fact: hydrogen makes up about 75% of all visible matter in the universe and is the main fuel that powers stars. Which type of blood cells help fight infection and disease? A. Platelets. B. Red blood cells. C. White blood cells. The answer is C. White blood cells. Fact: white blood cells act like tiny soldiers in your immune system, attacking harmful bacteria and viruses. What is the chemical symbol for table salt? A. H2O. B. CO2. C. NaCl. The answer is C. NaCl. Fact: NaCl stands for sodium chloride, a compound made from two dangerous elements, explosive sodium and toxic chlorine gas. Which sound travels faster? A. Sound in air. B. Sound in water. C. Sound in vacuum. The answer is B. Sound in water. Fact: sound travels about 4 times faster in water than in air because water molecules are packed much closer together.